So I am now standing on the beachfront in Socoa. It's a small beach that leads into the port, and this is the fort of Socoa, which was built in 1627 as a defensive fort for the region. And yeah, as you can see, it's just an absolutely lovely little gem of a beach. And there is Saint-Jean-de-Luz on the other side of the water passageway, and then Socoa continues around, and it actually goes up towards where I am staying in that direction towards Andaya, and of course the Atlantic is just on the other side of that. So another perfect little gem of a trip, and I'm going to stop recording now and take a little walk on the beach. See you later.